వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्. हरे कृष्ण. So, jnana, vijnana. The difference is the different members of the Varnashrama society have different duties and different qualities to cultivate. According to the elevation of a person, certain duties are prescribed and certain qualities are applied to him to cultivate. When you do that, you can reach at that level and then you go forward. For example, a Sudra, the quality that he should possess minimally he should be able to offer all respects to all, Natimanita. If you does not offer all respect to others, if you do not offer all respect to others, he won't be able to elevate himself at all. He is already very much in the bodily concept of life. He understands his bodily concept of life. This is the very important. He understands, I am in the bodily concept of life. I need to be elevated. But I respect all the people in the society who are already highly elevated, and therefore offer all respect to them who are already highly elevated, and this will help him to elevate himself from the total absorption to lesser absorption of the body. On the other hand, Varnashrama sannyasis, who is the spiritual master of the entire society, on the right, next them to Brahmanas. The sannyasis, they have three qualities to cultivate. If they want to stay on the self-realized state of the platform, keep going forward, then number 1, Abhayam, number 2, Sattva Samsuddhi, number 3, Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi. They want to cultivate these three qualities. Srila Prabhupada mentions 1. Abhayam, fearlessness. 2. Sattva Samsuddhi, purification of one's existence. 3. Cultivation of spiritual knowledge. Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi. These three things are meant for sannyasis. If they don't cultivate these three things, then they will not be able to stay on the self-realized platform. So, the householders, they have their own duties. 1. They have to control their senses. 2. Engage themselves only for begetting children. 3. Give charity. 4. He must facilitate the development of Krishna consciousness in general or his neighbors and so on. If he does not do this, a Grihastha could not. A Grihastha does not do this, he could cut you will not be able to function on the spiritual platform. First one. Similarly, Brahmana has certain qualities. Samodamas tapas saucham kshanti rajyam evacha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavajam. Because of their practical realization of spiritual knowledge, they can give the guidance to the whole society. Whole society. Of course, there is Varnashrama Dharma society. Varnashrama society. It does not exist, this society. Today everybody is, our starting point is Paripur. In the Vedic system, the method of elevation was this. They have to bring the society to this, and by doing this they become elevated and act on the minimum spiritual platform. At least it is opportunity for realizing this knowledge. So the alternative method is Bhagavata Vidhi or Parabhakti. That Srimad Bhagavatam prescribes the primary linchpin of Bhagavata Dharma is hearing and chanting. From self-realized souls, you can achieve the same thing. If you are in Varnashrama, then perform your duties and associate with saintly persons. Act according to those duties that you have. You don't have to change your position. Now we don't have that Varnashrama position. But hearing from saintly persons still available. And in one is fallen beyond lower degree, below Varnashrama status, still that hearing from saintly persons, the method of elevating. So the key factor in Varnashrama, perform one's duty, not for rights. The right is to perform your duty. This is very important. Many people in the society today, not in our Krishna consciousness society necessarily, the broader society, we are more worried about the rights. Those are children's rights, wildlife rights, women's rights, everybody's rights. Nobody is asking what are the duties of these persons. But Krishna says everyone's right is to perform their duty. Karmanye vadikaraste mapalesu kadachana. If each one of us to ask, what is our duty? Everyone absorbed in the bodily concept of life. You think, I am a woman, I am a child, I am an old man, I am a president, I am this, and so many things. You can't change your conceptions unless you start work on the duty platform. One's duty, one say that means there is higher authority. When he says duty, that means that is given by higher authority in life, because duties are prescribed by higher authority only. So we can understand that with the broader mind, for really realizing knowledge is one should accept the higher authority. Without that one cannot realize anything. If you want to realize what is your duty, then the duty is given by higher authority. One should accept the higher authority. Otherwise one cannot realize anything. Now I stop here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti, Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai. श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।